What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ Justice channel. But today we finna be calling it the Grand Marquis Doctors channel. What's up to every Grand Marquis owner out there, to all of the subscribers that are still subscribed to me. I know I'll be lagging it on these videos, and I'm gonna keep lagging on them because I really don't know when I'm gonna be uploading Grand Marquis videos. But yeah, today we're finna be doing an oil change on my brother's Grand Marquis, which is very similar to a Crown Victoria and a Lincoln Town car. I highly recommend everyone to do their own oil change. Well, everyone that has a Grand Marquis to do their own oil change so you guys could save money. Of course, the first oil change is going to be expensive since you have to purchase all the tools and equipments that you're going to need. Other than that, you'll be saving money, and no, that's it. You just be saving money. But also, you'll be saving time. You won't be spending so much time at shops waiting for your vehicle to get ready. Some of these shops will take the whole day just to do an oil change. Also, you could start making some extra cash by doing the oil change on your family's vehicles or your friends' cars. So, let's get to it. Start by pushing down on the foot brake to engage the emergency brakes. This puts pressure on the rear brakes to hold the vehicle in place. You can also place some wheel chucks. Shut off the air suspension before lifting the car. The switch is located inside the trunk. Raise the vehicle up with a floor jack and support it on jack stands. Place a 2x4 on the floor jack to protect the subframe. Do the same for the other side. Use a 16mm socket and ratchet to loosen the drain plug. Make sure to have a drain pan underneath to catch the oil. Inspect the oil drain plug washer. It's recommended to replace the washer every oil change, but if the washer looks good, then you can reuse it. I know some people finna hate that I just said that, but I'm just being real with you guys. I've done this multiple times and I haven't had any issues. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna replace this one. Give the drain plug a nice snug, or you could torque down to 10 foot-pounds. You should be able to remove the oil filter with your hand, but if you're having a hard time, use a filter wrench tool or something similar to remove it. Make sure that the rubber gasket from the filter doesn't stay on the engine. Motorcraft filter is the best filter choice, but other brands are acceptable. It all depends on your budget and what your local auto parts store has in stock. Add a small amount of oil onto the filter seal. Screw on the new oil filter until it's snug, and then tighten it approximately a further quarter turn. From the year 2003 and up, the oil capacity is 6 quarts. Older models only require 5 quarts. Synthetic Blend 5W20 is the type of oil and viscosity recommended for the engine, but I personally like using full synthetic motor oil 5W30. The oil brand is your preference. Start the vehicle and check for leaks. Then do 5 push-ups. And yes, you have to do this part. It's on the video. You guys gotta follow the instructions. You know, a little bit of weight reduction will help the Grand Marquis. Check the oil level, pull the dipstick, clean it, and put it back in. Then you'll get an accurate reading level. The oil should reach the second dot. Add some more if it's needed. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, you guys. And a quick shout out to all the Grand Marquis subscribers that are still subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys. I appreciate y'all. I know most of the time you guys are stuck watching a Jag related video, but hey, I appreciate you guys. Right on. Between me and you, come closer. Come. I love you. Damn, bruh. All right. Chill, you guys. Chill.